In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to replace your engine coolant reservoir in your Subaru Forester. It's located in your engine compartment near your radiator. So in order to get this coolant reservoir out, you're going to pinch this bracket in and use something to pry this away. You're going to disconnect your hose and then pick this up. So now we're going to install our reservoir. There's a bracket down here where this goes into. So you're going to rest it in there. And for this, there's no bolts. It just slides in once it's in the bracket down there. It slides in this way, and then you push it in. This hooks up here. And I'm going to fill up our reservoir. We're going to fill that to the max line. Take a deep breath, because this job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.